Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we're going to see how to turn on Power Touch in Motorola Edge 20 Fusion. It's a very nifty feature which allows you to have quick shortcuts by just double tapping the power or the uh, fingerprint sensor button. First head over to Moto app, and in there under the gestures section you will see the Power Touch. You turn on it like it is right now, and then as you can see, it says double tap on the power key for a quick shortcut, and you can see an animation in the app itself. So like it showed another, so we can see some of the shortcuts here. You can change the applications in the settings under the double tap for shortcuts. And here you can see multiple stuffs available under categories of apps, tools, and contacts. For the sake of this tutorial, I've had some of them. So let's say if you want to jump to calculator, and that's when we go, or if you want to jump to settings real quick, we can go there instead of just swiping down, clicking on the settings. So this is a much faster way to reach the settings page. So I hope this was an easy one to understand. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with your buddies who have Motorola Edge 20 Fusion or Motorola devices which has a similar setup. uh, Thanks a lot for watching again, guys. Have a great day.